Hi guys, happy Sunday everybody. Today is Happy Mother's Day in France, so we're gonna wish a nice happy birthday to Babe. Babe feeling better, she feeling better, but Tyler's still feeling very bad, so the weekend not that easy or not that fun as what we have planned, and the night was kind of hard, so we all have this face like if we didn't sleep. How are you, Tyler?
Papa?
How are you, Tyler? You say mommy happy Mother's Day? You say mommy happy Mother's Day? You be nice to mommy? Are you gonna be nice to mommy today? Alright guys, so this is the very first Tyler gift for Happy Mother's Day. Yeah, so Tyler gonna give this to Babe, and let's see what's gonna be Babe's first reaction. Tyler, pour maman. Pour maman? So Tyler worked hard on it yesterday.
Oh, when did you do this? Yes. Oh, give him a kissy. When did you do that? Oh my God.
You like your first?
I'm gonna cry.
That was his first gift. And he did it and smiled at
And you're
you.
showing me a camera like this. I'm not talking to you.
That's some other gift, Tyler? That's some other gift?
It's for me too. You give me a card full of cards. Huh? Look at your baby cry.
You like your gift?
When did he do this?
Yesterday.
This is so cute.
Yesterday.
Ty, thank you. Give him a kiss. Give me a kiss. Can I have a kiss? You're messy for doing that. Look at my head.
Alright guys, so it looks like you enjoy our first little surprise. I don't know about you, but I'm not someone who got a lot of ideas like original or thing like this. So because it's Mother's Day today, I'll be the one in the kitchen. So I'm gonna start to make breakfast. This is breakfast.
Tyler, no. Tyler, come around this side. Come, baby. Say show.
The breakfast's ready and now we're gonna enjoy it.
Hi Fabs, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night, you guys. Melissa is just almost back to her old self. Yes, baby. Hello. Hello. No. Today's a special day. Tyler. You feel better now? Today is a special day for me. It is Mother's Day here in France, so I have been just chilling and babe has been taking care of me all day. Babe and Tyler have been taking care of me all day. Sorry. Oh, they got me breakfast, they got me gifts. Tyler made me cry this morning with his little handprints written on a piece of paper, which I think was super cute. And we were supposed to go out, but the way Tyler is feeling, that won't happen. So I think we're just going to go and pick up some food and get back home. Surprisingly, funny enough, my mouth, touching it from the outside, the pain is almost gone and the swelling almost vanished. I don't know what is going on. However, I still have my dentist appointment to go to tomorrow, so I'll be still be going to my dentist appointment. But my cold is getting better. Give it to Papa, let Papa give it to you. My cold is getting better, so that is awesome. Hopefully you guys having a wonderful day. It's a beautiful day here. So much people at the pool. It will be a really beautiful pool day out, but that will happen because we all have flu, we all sick. So I'm going to just go ahead and give you guys a Jamaican expression for today. So yesterday Tyler did something very naughty and I said to him, if I slap you, you see blinky and think a star. And babe was like, huh? What did you just say? What kind of Jamaican expression is that? As a Jamaican, when you do something very wrong, your parents will say this to you on countless of occasions. They'll say, if I slap you, you see blinky and think a star. It simply means that they are going to give you a hard slap, a slap wherever, and it means that the slap is going to be so hard you're going to see Twinkies and think you're seeing stars. So that's all that it means. It's just an expression, and babe says that's going to be the expression for today. So there you have it. If me slap you, see blinky and think a star. So don't be naughty and you won't get slapped. You won't see blinkies. Oh my god, that's so hilarious. Babe,
yeah, if you slap him and you see blinky, you think he's a star.
Yeah, but you have to say the Jamaica way.
Okay, say.
So if me slap you,
if me slap you,
you see blinky, and think a star.
And think a star.
No, say think.
And think a star.
Yes.
So if me slap you, you see blinky and think a star.
Yes, honey, yes. You guys, because we've been all not feeling so well, especially Tyler. I pull out the extension of the couch and we've been laying out here on the couch all day, every day, in the morning, in the noon, in the night. This is where we chill, and actually this is where we slept last night, and we didn't sleep half of the night because Tyler was up most of the night. He was so miserable. See, our blanket is still there and we're just chilling out here, you guys. I actually just comb my hair and get a bath and feeling fresh. And Tyler gave me the cutest gift this morning, and babe really took care of me. Thank you, babe. I really enjoy my Mother's Day.
You're welcome. That's normal. That's Mother's Day. That's your day. Even if you're not my mother, I just say happy Mother's Day to my mother.
And happy Mother's Day to my mother-in-law. Happy Mother's Day, mommy.
And I wish you all the best. But because you're the one here and you're a mother now, this little boy just I take care of you for this little boy.
Vroom. Him don't like the sound. You wanna come? It's okay. Vroom, vroom, vroom. Vroom, vroom, what toot toot. Look, stay. You guys, so we went and picked up dinner. And for dinner today, we're gonna have a little rice, some salad. I don't even know what kind of meat is this, but it's 3 different kind of meat.
Chicken.
There's a beef, chicken, and maybe pork.
No.
This sushi, and this is shrimp. This is some Japanese soup with the sauces. So that's what dinner is gonna be for tonight. Kissy face. You guys, I am feeling so much better. I guess this is the rest I have from today's Mother's Day. Seeing the reflection in my glasses. I guess it's the rest I have from today's Mother's Day. Babe really let me rest today. I didn't even do anything at all at one point. Usually as soon as we finish eating dinner, I would go in the kitchen and wash the dishes, and I wanted to do that today, and he see me like I was going in the kitchen, and he said no baby, no. He really called me. He said, no honey, don't even think about it, you're gonna come and sit down, Mother's Day is not yet finished. I couldn't do anything but laugh because I didn't realize that he was paying attention to me. He said, Mother's Day is not yet finished, come and sit down. So I didn't get to wash dishes. I didn't even wash a fork today. I didn't cook anything. I just relaxed all day today. Thanks honey, I had a good day. Thank you.
You're welcome.
So yeah, Tyler is off to bed. Hopefully have a good night tonight. Last night, this time he was crying, and I had to pick him up, and he didn't sleep well last night, and I think he's very tired right now because he didn't really nap today either. He took just a little cat nap and he was up. So he's been out and about playing all day today. So he's napping, and hopefully he'll have a good night because we have an early morning tomorrow. I have to go to the dentist to see what's going on with my teeth in my mouth.
So I'm gonna set up the clock at 5:30, okay?
So we'll be up early. Babe actually just even finished ironing. Babe, when was the last time you ironed? It's really a Mother's Day.
Well, I have on sometimes rarely I have on like one shirt, or if in case of emergency.
Right.
But otherwise, you do the job, and I'm thankful for that. But I don't have any shirt for tomorrow.
And so he would let me iron.
I didn't want you to do it, so I did it. I just ironed like 5 shirts for the week.
So he ironed for the entire week. He's such a sweet boy. So yeah, we're actually just coming on to end the vlog. I have a super special Mother's Day. I appreciate it. Tyler made me cry. Babe made me feel special. I love my gift to babe. Thank you so much again.
Welcome.
And yeah, what's the French expression for today?
Merci.
Alright you guys, what does mercy mean?
Merci means thank you. Very important word.
Alright you guys, so there you guys have the Jamaican
French word. It's not, it's not an expression, it's just a word.
There you guys have the French word for today is merci, and merci means thank you. In Jamaica, when you say mercy, is just an exaggeration. Say Lord have mercy, mercy. It doesn't mean thank you at all.
Yes, thank you for everybody for watching us. So merci everybody.
Merci beaucoup. All right, you guys, thank you guys for watching. We love you all. Catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye guys.